How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we're going to do a nice little update with you with all the builds. Nothing too exciting, but I know it's been a while since I posted a video ever since we sold the OG second gen. Haven't heard any updates from the guy that bought it. I'll have to ask my brother about that to see if he heard anything, but hopefully that guy's having a good time with it and getting some good use out of that engine. But we really haven't been doing any vehicle stuff or really working on anything since that truck sold. I did a little bit of work on the Camaro. Mainly been doing some housework, trying to get the garage organized, and I'll have to update you guys with that at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But I think we're going to kick off this video talking about the old Dakota here. Nothing's really happened to this. It is in desperate need of a detail. The thing is disgusting. But yeah, she's been running good, no complaints with it. I was wanting to get it painted this summer because starting to have some clear coat issues here. I still got that spot on the hood from when the collision happened. So been really meaning to get this thing into the shop to get painted, so maybe next summer. I know I've been saying that and have kept pushing it off, but I think after this winter I will budget and aim to get this thing resprayed, and I think it'll come out awesome, especially the roof. The roof was one of the first areas to go to start showing some age. As you can see, there's like nothing left of it. But yeah, guys, I think a wash and detail will make this truck look a lot better, as with any vehicle. It's also having its rust problems, both fenders here at the bottom. So hopefully it's not too bad underneath these fender flares. I talked about all this stuff in some of my previous videos, so if you guys missed out, I got a whole playlist on the Dakota. Go and check that out. But yeah, guys, I also got the spots down here on the rockers. The passenger side isn't too bad, but I will take you around to the driver's side. The rockers themselves aren't bad, but these pinch seams are starting to go, and I know I've been saying this as well. I really need to get this taken care of before it spreads upwards and actually gets into the rocker itself. So I will aim to get that taken care of as well. I'm getting to a point now where I just got to stop talking about it and actually get this work done. So hold me accountable for it, guys. So that's enough of the old Dakota here. If you guys got any questions on it or want to know anything else, let me know down in the comments. But for now, we're going to jump over to the Camaro and I'll show you what we've been doing to it. So coming down to the Camaro here, as you can see, I still got the tarp on it, and I got that on there because I took the door weather stripping off from when I was doing work on the roof. There's a gap above the window there, and I don't want any rainwater or anything getting in there, especially right here, as you can see. But I'll give you guys a nice little sneak peek. We are working on the driver's side floor. The floor pan is in place. I do have a video in the works on this car, so be on the lookout for that. I've been a little bit delayed because I was working on some other stuff here that I'll show you at the end of this video. But in my one, I think it was 2 videos ago, I uploaded the passenger side floor, and that came out really good. My welding does need a little bit of work, but overall I'm happy with it. Nothing that some grinders and stuff can't take care of to smooth down those welds. But I'm learning. I haven't welded since high school, and practice makes perfect, right? So overall, the Camaro, like I said, haven't really done much to it besides the floor pans, but once those floor pans are done, we're going to start making some more progress on the body work. It doesn't need that much. Going to prep it for paint, throw new exhaust on there, wheels and tires, and yeah, just a few other odds and ends. I do have new taillight lenses for it, but I'm waiting to throw those on until I get the body work and paint done on the car. So very eager and looking forward to getting more progress done on this car. If you guys, again, got any suggestions or comments about the car, let me know. I'm always happy and eager to read your guys' comments. Always looking forward to what you guys have to say. So yeah, guys, that's enough on the Camaro. We'll talk about my brother's trucks here in a second. I know he's not here with them, but I do have a few updates with them. Hopefully he'll be here in the next video. So yeah, let's get on to talking about the dually, aka Big Chungus. So the 2001 Cummins dually, it hasn't seen the road in a while. My brother had a brake line go out on it, and unfortunately he hasn't been able to drive it recently because he's been busy with work and some other things that have come up, and he's been messing with his house. So he hasn't really had time to work on the truck or to get the brake issue solved on it. I'm not sure how involved it is or where the line broke exactly, but that's the update with that truck and why we really haven't been seeing it around in a while. I know a few of you guys have been asking about it, and it is in desperate need of a comeback on this channel. That truck is very popular and we are looking forward to getting it back. So apart from the 01 Cummins, I believe the 08 3rd gen, the white truck, nothing's really wrong with that. My brother's been driving it here and there. He's got it in a garage at his shop now finally, so that truck's inside. Taking care of it. I know he took it to a few shows. He went to that 814 meet up at, I think it was Conneaut. His AC did go out on the truck. I guess that's one thing that needs dealt with. He does have some mods in the works for that truck, but again, he's been investing into the house and some other things that have come up, so the mods have been delayed a little bit, but I know he's got a list of things that he wants done on that. So I think one of these days we're going to take a drive out to his house and show you around, and maybe we'll throw on a mod or two out there, and it'll be a fun time. So looking forward to pushing out some new content for you guys, some new things that you haven't seen before, and really looking forward to it. So hopefully you guys are as well. So apart from my brother's trucks, we did get a new truck in the family. We got I think my dad bought it's not here right now, apart from the GMC, nothing's been done with that. Should probably mod that, that'd be pretty fun. But I think it was a 2011, I could be wrong. It's a base model brown Ford F-150. So nothing crazy with that either, just a new daily driver for him and my brother to share. And yeah, I think apart from those vehicles, we got the 78 Ford Camper Special, my Paps truck. I did a few videos on that way early on in the channel. You guys will have to scroll back to watch those. Don't make fun of me for them if you go back and watch them. They're pretty cringeworthy, but haven't done anything on that in a long time. Once I have a workspace planned in the back of this house, I'm going to get that frame put in there to get a rolling chassis built, and hopefully it'll be inside by the beginning of springtime. I'm going to invest a lot of time into getting that indoors over the winter, and hopefully by the time spring rolls around we'll have the frame indoors. So looking forward to that, because it's really hard to build a show truck outside. That's what I'm trying to do, is to build a show vehicle out of that truck. I'm putting a lot of time and care into it, every nut and bolt, and it's been very exciting so far. So I think apart from all that, the one vehicle I haven't talked about yet is the Plymouth. Nothing's really new with that. Again, it needs a little bit of work here and there, but I've been taking it to shows, have been cruising out with it, windows down. The weather's getting nice now in the fall, nice and cool. And you guys might be wondering where it's at, because I usually park it there, but I got something exciting to show you guys. Let's go check it out. I finally got it inside. First time I had a car in a garage. I bought this thing almost 10 years ago, and it's the first time it's been in a garage in almost 10 years. Like, I can't tell you how excited I am about this, guys. It might seem simple to some of you, but like to me, this was one of the happiest things that has happened to me with this car in a long time. I've been like really pushing for this, and I spent a lot of time getting this prepped and to get it in here, because this garage, it was packed full of stuff. And let me tell you, that was a big project. That's one reason why I really haven't been putting out any videos. I know I'm slow to begin with, but with this on top of it and me wanting to get this car in here before winter, that was I don't even know how to describe it. I wish you guys were able to see the progress. I thought about filming the process of prepping the garage to get it in here, but that would have been way too involved, and I just needed all my focus on like getting it done, and I just wanted to get it over with. But yeah, guys, check it out. So I'll take you guys inside to give you a quick overview, nothing too exciting. Ignore the mess on the roof. I was detailing the car, and that's one thing I'm very excited about. Now I can detail this car. I did the whole front end except for the passenger fender, because it's kind of tight over there. I don't have much room. The garage is pretty small overall, but I'm just happy to have it inside. And like I was saying, that's a nice thing about this garage now, is I can finally detail the car and not worry about the acid rain or the bugs or the leaves ruining all of my cleaning, because I already did the whole front end, the whole front clip. I already did that once, maybe like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and it already got disgusting and all dirty again. So now that the car's inside, it should hold up a lot longer in between details, which is very nice. But yeah, guys, ignore the mess. Like I said, there's a bunch of junk in here. Still have lots of things to sort through. So here's the view of the car from up front. As you can see, the garage isn't that wide, but it's wide enough to fit the car, and that's all that really matters. I only really need to open the driver door if someone needs to ride in it or wants to go for a cruise. I can back the car out and they can get in the car once it's outside. But that's an old stove from like the 1920s or 30s. I'm going to be trying to sell that. Not sure where my grandparents got it. The car could move up forward more, but there's an old table wood saw in here. I'm going to try to find a new spot for that. This is an old heater furnace unit that I'm saving to throw in a shop one day when I eventually get one built. Hopefully it won't be that long. But yeah, guys, lots of junk still in here, but I cleared enough out to finally fit the car, which is all that matters. And as you can see, she's looking good under the lights. Still got to clean it up some, but overall I'm very satisfied with it. And the main part is it's finally inside. And as far as the garage itself goes, I do have more plans with this. I think once I make some more progress and get some more of the stuff out of here, I'll do a garage update video maybe. See, I already got a sign thrown up, which is pretty cool. That's the first piece that was going in here. But once I clear off some of the stuff along these walls, maybe I'll throw up some flags or some automotive signs or something. These cabinets here are not, they're filing cabinets, but they're used to hold some tools and some cleaning supplies. Like Pat put those in, I don't know how many years ago, probably 40, 50 years ago. I don't know, but yeah, I think they're pretty convenient. They're nice, and you can fold down the doors and it just kind of hides everything. Might eventually paint them, make them look a little nicer, but gives it a nice clean look, I'd say. But yeah, guys, like I said, it might seem simple to some of you guys, but to me, it was game changing. Finally, I just can't believe it's inside. 10 years, almost 10 years, and it's finally back inside. This car hasn't been inside since the day I brought it home, which is very sad to say, but it's time we make it right. So guys, with the exciting news out of the way, just gonna close up the garage here. And she's in her new home. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, nothing too exciting, nothing too crazy. Really didn't work on anything, but I just wanted to give you guys some updates with all the vehicles and let you know we do have some videos in the works. I know a lot of you are getting on me saying, oh, we need to upload more and got to push out some more content, which I do know. I really need to start grinding and become more dedicated to this. I know we can really blow up the channel and make something big out of it. I know we can do it. And step one is with me. So I really need to step up my game. Thanks to all of you who have been supporting us throughout the years that we've been doing this and sticking with us and not giving up and keep coming back to every video we put up. It really means a lot to me and my brother, and we're looking forward to the future. See what's in store for this channel, and hopefully we can get some more exciting things on the way. So drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Leave your thoughts and comments down below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm always looking for new video ideas. I have a few in my head, but I'm sure some of you can come up with some pretty unique stuff that I really haven't thought about. So leave those comments down below. Give me some ideas. But on that note, guys, I think I'm just going to sign off with the usual, and we'll catch you in the next one. Always accelerate and don't look back. See you next time.